Welcome to our channel, and to have a customer seat that when they set the key, the ignition on, and the dashboard become a good light of flashing. So I'm just whether it's a battery issue or maybe some battery is failure or something. So I'm just scan the car to see what's wrong with it. So here it's a battery cut off here. So you have to turn clockwise. So to off the battery, to exit the battery and to set the voltage, which is right here. Here's push here, which maybe 10, size 10. So it's reading around 11.9. So now I've taken out the battery and increased very low voltage to let me show you.
Okay, yeah.
Let's see, voltage low. Reading at 11.9. So now we're waiting to charge the battery, but the battery is really low voltage. So I hope after the battery is fully charged, then we'll try to plug in the car and then we see if the dashboard has normalized. So hopefully the issue is resolved. But then, and decide whether it's charging the battery. Maybe it's an alternative issue, so I need to check. So now it's charging. So now it already plugged in and the battery is charged. So it's be like it is at 12.5 volt. It's better than 11.9 volts. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay?
So far, good. And I'm charging 40 volt. I reset and so far it's not showing any problem. It's been work. Basically, after I scan the instrument cluster, I don't know what's going on because when I get the code, everything working fine. Everything working so good. And then we travel a bit and generated from up here, so I don't get what is going on. And then when I set the codes, it came back again, so it's related to instrument cluster. And so what I try to drive a bit, and there is no gear icon, so a bit let's go. I have automatic as well, but it's still shaky, so I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I'm going to help my customer to solve what is the problem so that my customer can have a happy drive car around with no problem, no issues with the car. See you in the next video.